In this demonstration, we have two 50 ml Erlenmeyer flasks. One contains a dry organic sample, and the other contains a wet organic sample with residual water. To remove water from the organic layer, we use a drying agent such as sodium sulfate. Other common drying agents include calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate. All these function similarly in absorbing water from the organic solution. Using a scoopula, we add a small amount of drying agent to the sample. In a dry sample, the drying agent should move freely throughout the liquid. You'll notice that the solid moves freely and do not stick together. Now, if we perform the same step with a wet sample, the behavior is different. The dried agent tends to clump together or stick to the walls of the flask after mixing. This indicates that water is still present in the organic layer. To fully dry the sample, we continue adding small amounts of drying agent until the newly added solid remains free-flowing and no longer clumps. At this point, the sample is considered dry. Once completed, allow the mixture to sit briefly before proceeding. Next, we separate the dried agent from the organic layer. One method is decantation. Carefully pour the liquid into a clean beaker or Erlenmeyer flask, leaving the solid drying agent behind. The drying agent should be discarded in the appropriate waste container while the liquid is retained for further analysis. Secondly, gravity filtration can be used. Set up a short stem funnel supported by a ring stand and iron ring, if available, as seen here. Fold an appropriate size filter paper in quarters 3 times and place it in the short stem funnel. Pour the contents into the filter paper, which will collect the drying agent while the organic liquid passes through and is collected in a clean flask or beaker. Dispose the drying agent properly and retain the liquid for further analysis.